What's going on, guys? Today we're going to show you how to execute a trade on Metatrader 4 on an iOS device. So once you open the app, you're going to be greeted with this screen with all our currency pairs. For this example, we're going to use GBP USD. So once you click that, you're presented with three options: trade, chart, and details. The only two you'll ever need is chart and trade. So chart takes us to where we do our analysis, and trade takes us to this screen. So if you click where it says market execution, you can choose what type of order you'd like to enter. Market execution, you guys know you enter the market immediately, or you can do a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop or sell stop, whatever you like. So right below that, you'll see the lot size. So you can click on that and manually type in whatever lot size you want, or you can use the numbers to the left or to the right to edit it, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. Below that, we have the stop loss and take profit levels. When you click on them, you can manually enter them. And then to actually execute the trade, you hit the buy or the sell button. And that's how you enter a trade on Metatrader 4 on an iOS device.